Are you ready to transform your spending habits and boost your savings? It's time to dive into the world of cashback programs and discover how you can make every purchase work for you. Today, we'll explore the incredible benefits of cashback programs and how you can leverage them to enhance your personal journey, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and achieve financial success effortlessly. Unlocking the power of cashback programs. Cashback programs have become a game-changer in the realm of personal finance, offering a simple yet effective way to earn rewards on your everyday spending. Imagine getting paid to shop. That's the beauty of cashback programs. But not all programs are created equal, which is why I'm excited to share my expertise on 3 top-notch platforms: Upside app, Capital One, and Acorns. With the Upside app, I've effortlessly earned cash back on my daily essentials, from groceries to dining out. Capital One offers a suite of credit cards tailored to different spending patterns, ensuring you get the most out of your purchases. And with Acorns, you can invest your spare change while earning cash back. Talk about a win-win. Join me as we unlock the full potential of cashback programs and embark on a journey to maximize rewards like never before. Understanding the benefits of cashback programs. Cashback programs offer a plethora of benefits that go beyond immediate gratification. By earning cash back on your purchases, you effectively reduce the overall cost of living, allowing you to stretch your budget further and increase your savings. It's like having a secret discount on everything you buy. Moreover, cashback programs promote smarter spending habits by encouraging mindfulness and intentionality in your purchasing decisions. When you know you can earn rewards on certain purchases, you become more conscious of where your money goes, ultimately leading to more thoughtful spending and greater savings in the long run. Embracing cashback program trends. The popularity of cashback programs has soared in recent years, with over 90% of consumers actively participating in these rewarding initiatives. And it's no wonder why cashback rates have seen a significant uptick, with many programs now offering rates as high as 5% or more. This means more money back in your pocket for the purchases you already make. Additionally, the diversity of cashback programs has expanded, catering to various consumer segments and spending preferences. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a foodie, or a pet lover, there's a cashback program tailored just for you, ensuring you get the most out of your rewards. Choosing the right cashback programs. With an abundance of options available, it's essential to choose the cashback programs that align with your lifestyle and financial goals. Consider factors such as cashback rates, redemption options, additional perks, and ease of use when selecting the right programs for you. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can maximize your rewards and optimize your savings potential, ensuring every purchase works in your favor. Maximizing rewards with Upside app. For avid on-the-move individuals, the Upside app is a game changer. This innovative platform specializes in everyday expenses, offering substantial rewards on gas, dining, groceries. By bundling your expenses purchases, you can unlock even higher cashback rates, making your daily spending both affordable and rewarding. Planning your purchases in advance and keeping an eye out for exclusive promotions can further enhance your cashback earnings with the Upside app. With its user-friendly interface and seamless uploading receipts experience, saving money on expenses has never been easier. Capitalizing on Capital One cashback programs. Capital One is synonymous with flexibility and variety, offering a range of credit cards tailored to suit different spending habits. Whether you prefer a flat-rate cashback card or one with bonus rewards in specific categories, Capital One has you covered. Take advantage of generous sign-up bonuses and be mindful of spending thresholds to maximize your rewards with Capital One. With the right strategy, you can unlock substantial cashback earnings and enjoy the financial freedom you deserve. Leveraging Acorns for wealth building. Acorns takes cash back to the next level by combining investing with earning rewards on your purchases. Automatically rounding up your purchases and investing the spare change allows you to save and invest effortlessly. Plus, with cashback rewards from partner merchants, you can watch your wealth grow with every purchase. By exploring Acorns' investment portfolios and taking advantage of partner merchant offers, you can build wealth while saving money on your everyday expenses. It's a simple yet powerful way to achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter future. Tips for maximizing cashback rewards. To supercharge your savings with cashback programs, remember these essential tips. Strategically use cashback credit cards to maximize rewards. Stack cashback offers for even greater savings. Stay organized and be mindful of redemption options and deadlines. Pay off credit card balances in full to avoid interest charges. Take advantage of referral bonuses to boost your earnings. By implementing these strategies, you can unlock the full potential of cashback programs and make every purchase count towards your financial success. Comparing cashback programs. As we wrap up our exploration, consider the unique advantages of each cashback program. Whether it's the travel-focused rewards of the Upside app, the flexibility of Capital One credit cards, or the wealth-building capabilities of Acorns. Choose the program that best aligns with your goals and preferences and watch your savings soar to new heights. Conclusion. In conclusion, cashback programs offer a powerful way to save money, earn rewards, and achieve financial prosperity. By leveraging platforms like Upside app, Capital One, and Acorns, you can unlock the full potential of cashback programs and make every purchase work in your favor. So why wait? Start maximizing your rewards today and embark on a journey towards a brighter financial future. With the right strategies and mindset, you can turn your everyday spending into a pathway to wealth and success. Happy saving!